Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by picking a note app that supports text-to-speech. Open the note you want. Make sure content uses short paragraphs and clear headings so speech breathes naturally. Once done, open Accessibility or TTS settings in the app and pick Language, Voice Type, and Speed for example 1. 0 is neutral. Make sure your device volume and audio output are set. Then move to selecting the text or page you want narrated so you can start the conversion step. Now you convert the text. Highlight the exact portion to narrate and trigger TTS. Tap Speak, Play, or Export to a speech app. If you need natural prosody, share the note to an advanced TTS service that accepts SSML or punctuation cues. Insert commas and em-dashes to control pacing. Once you start playback, listen for unnatural joins and edit the text. Add line breaks or short sentences to create natural pauses. Repeat until the flow matches your intent. Finish by exporting or saving the audio file if your app supports MP3 or AAC export. This makes reuse simple. Then test playback on headphones and speakers to verify volume, pronunciation, and timing. If words sound wrong, edit the text with phonetic spelling or brief annotations. If speech fails to start, clear the app cache, restart the device, update the app, or switch the voice engine. One key tip: toggling to a different voice often fixes truncation or mispronunciation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.